when I like to teach a move, I want to teach the move. So in this case, it's the overhand, same time, same direction, cap on the side plane. And then it's companion move, which I would call its opposite, which is the underhand, same time, same direction move. Then, okay, so this is the pair. Then there's the swivel. Now, what we have just been working on is the swivel where we are changing from one side to the other on the in-spin portion of it, right? But I can change on the anti-spin portion of it like I'm demonstrating now. So both are possible, in case that wasn't clear. Even though I'm only gonna teach you the part right now on the in-spin. But when you're looking at it, there's both swivels, right? So there's both swivels in terms of both directions. The one we did, which is this clockwise one, turning with the in-spin, but then there would be this clockwise one turning with the anti-spin. And then same thing with the counterclockwise one, turning with the in-spin and turning with the anti-spin. And then the same thing with a 360-degree turn. So when you do the 360-degree turn, you can turn on the in-spin like that, or you can turn on the anti-spin like that. Well, it's just because it's a hybrid move, right? Because you're doing both in-spin and anti-spin. So you have multiple choices and options, which makes it more complicated. Because if it was something like the weave, like when you learned the weave, you learned the overhand weave, you learned its companion move, the underhand weave, then you learned the fountain, overhand to underhand. I'd call this the clockwise fountain. Then you learned the other fountain, overhand to underhand in counterclockwise. Then you learned the 360 turn to the right, and the 360 turn to the left. I would say if you're going to just study like the basic building blocks and foundations of a move, that is what I would say you want to study.